everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you. I've already met you then. Hey! So today I am doing this look. And yeah, keep on watching to see how I get this beautiful, if I do say so myself. I'm looking weird, as usual. So yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I do not know what I'm doing. But yeah, so I've already prepped my eyes, done my eyebrows and put my PLouise base over my lids. Next I'm gonna, why is there just always little eyelashes stuck everywhere? Like, hello. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using my Carnival palette. And I just always seem to be using this. This is literally my go-to palette now. I love it so much. Shall I bring yours closer? Yes, I will. Not mind that huge spot right there. It's not even focusing on my second head. I'm gonna bring this closer to this side because I forgot about that huge spot. Yeah. Scary looking. So first I'm going in with liquor. So whenever it's nice and dark, I'm gonna start gently going up the edges. Okay, so then taking lit and just going around the edges of that dark purple. In with a yellow because why not? Going with King. Just gently going over the edges of that orange pinky shade. Ah, there we go. Now it's starting to look orange because I went over with the yellow. Yes, I like this. Second layer of everything. This is what you do. You start bottom, top, top, bottom. There you go. A bit of that yellow again because I love it. So I'm gonna cut my crease to make this all look good. Because it's not obviously looking good at the minute. Right, I am going in with a white, which is not in the Stacey Marie palette, but it shall do. Set in the inner corner of your lid. Yeah. Then taking lit and going right in the middle of the lid. Like so. And King in liquor and start blending in. So now taking the Peaches and Cream Print Pigment Glitter. I'm just going to pat that over the white that we've just done because glitter makes everything good. I love glitter. Now taking a little bit of the liquor and we're going to start underneath and then lit. I love this. I love it. Now I have to go find my eyeliner because I only bought it. It's new. Okay. I'm back. Okay, so taking, this is new, that's bad. I'm taking the Lasting Drama Gel Liner by Maybelline. And lining my lids. Okay, so I have went and put on eyelashes and obviously done this eye, of course. So now I am starting to cover this thing. So I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match and it is in the shade Golden Natural. And just start patting that around my face. Yeah, so if you're wanting a really airbrushed kind of look, then use a big fluffy brush to put on your foundation instead of a buffer brush. Taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going in with the lightest colour, putting that under my eyes just to brighten them up and further cover one spot. Ah, da, 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 da. Yes, powder. Then I'm taking my RCMA No Colour powder and I'm going to put that all around my face just to set the foundation. As most of you do know, I like to do my lips first, so I'm taking the Matte Me Up by Barry M and it is in the shade Probably Naked. Right, for powder contour I'm using the Hoola Benefit bronzer, if I can open it, and just patting it into place exactly where I'm wanting it to be. Then going in with blusher, which is Lustrous, and it's just this one, a little bit. Taking the MAC Give Me Sun and blending in the blusher and the contour together, and then going around my face also. My absolute favourite part is the highlighter. So I'm going in with Meta right on the highest parts and my nose, and then going in with Maybelline all around, blending that in nicely. And I like to go a wee bit over my eyebrow, don't know why. Okay, so everyone, that is me done with this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, then please subscribe to my channel to see this face more often. Okay, so everyone, see you in the next video. Bye!